Welcome family and friends to Pagans Beauty. I hope you enjoy this video, and also anything that you might need to duplicate this hairstyle I have tagged on the video. Feel free to check it out. Friends, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so and give me a like, and go ahead and comment your favorite part or any video suggestions you might have. Thank you so much for watching, friends, and until next time, bye.